Hey folks, Technivorous here. Last week when I did my mod video for the Ender 3v2, I told you guys if we got 100 likes on that video that I would release the Hotend cover with the 3v2 markings. So today we're going to do that. We also have one additional mod for the Ender 3 version 2 as well. So stick around and we'll take a look at that right now. The Technivorous channel is brought to you by these fine Patreon supporters. So here we are. In a minute we're going to jump over to Thingiverse and I will show you how to download the individual files that I added, just in case you've already downloaded the mod pack. But first, a little bit more about the two mods that we're adding today. The first is, of course, that Ender 3 v2 Hotend cover that you saw in my original mod video. I told you guys if we got 100 likes, we would release it, and we hit that mark and passed it. So thank you very much for all the support and all of the downloads of these files. You guys have been amazing. The other mod that we've added to the pack is actually a special request from a Facebook friend of mine named Michael. That is going to be a left side mounted LCD cover. Now, the reason we couldn't just mirror this and flip it around from Pugwash's model is because in order to clear the gantry as it moves up and down and stay clear of the bed, we did have to extend it out to the left a little bit further. Also, because it's on the left-hand side and we don't want to hit that X-axis or the X motor as it's moving up and down, it has a slightly reduced range of motion, but it is still tiltable and you can still get a good viewing angle. So, I'll jump over to Thingiverse right now and show you how to get the individual files. Alright, so here we are on Thingiverse. I'm just going to kind of cheat and go through it this way instead of searching for it here. Looks like a couple people have already downloaded the left-hand. That's good. That's good. Okay, so let's go into the Ender 3 v2 mod pack. Now, I don't know why all of the pictures aren't showing up here. It's kind of irritating to me, but what can you do? Thingiverse is known for being slightly wonky sometimes. But if you've already downloaded the mod pack and you would like to download the two additional files, or even if you just like one particular file out of that mod pack, what you're going to do is go ahead and head to the thing. It's thing number 4597953. We'll have a link to that down below. And you're going to scroll down a little bit to where it says Thing Files. Now if you click this, it'll expand it, and it'll show you all of the files that are available. I did add those two files to this pack. For some reason they're not showing up on my screen here yet, but I know that they're working because, as I said, I can see that they're already starting to be downloaded and favorited. So you can, of course, download the whole mod pack by clicking here, but if you want one individual file, clicking on the download link next to it, pretty self-explanatory. Some people don't know that this is here. Most people will just go in and hit download all files, which is fine. But if you don't need to do that, like I said, if you just want one or you need to get the rest of them because you already have the pack, just come on in here and click download on the file that you want, and it should pop right up. And that's basically it. Short and sweet video. I wanted to let you guys know that the reason that I added these to the pack is because we're going to continue adding modifications to the pack. Now, most of these modifications aren't really functional. They're more of an aesthetic thing for looks. However, the side spool holder and the LCD screen mounts do actually serve a functional purpose, and I think they work out pretty well. Let me know what you think. Let me know what kind of mods you'd like to see in the comments down below. Also, Pugwash, the gentleman who pointed out the right side LCD that he made, that you can also find available, has shown me an awesome micro SD card holder that fits into any V-slot rail. So let me know if you'd like to see that, because I definitely want to print one out, put it on the printer, and if you guys are interested, I can get you a link. Pugwash has some very interesting stuff. Now that's going to be it for this video. Stick around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can get updated every time I release new mods to this pack. And that's going to be it, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Stick around later this week for our full review of the Ender 3 version 2, which we are looking forward to a lot. And spoiler alert, probably going to be a pretty good review. So you won't want to miss that, guys. Technivorous out. Well, that's it, guys. That's going to wrap up this video. If you've noticed the shirt, the merch is available. Go ahead and check out the Teespring merch link down below. It won't be available on a channel store until I reach 10,000 subscribers, and so far I am just about to hit 5,000. So it'll be a little while, a couple more months before you see this on the actual channel, but they are available now. I have a couple other designs. Feel free to pop over there and check them out, and know that any purchase through the Teespring site definitely helps to promote our site here and increase the channel's ability to make videos in the future. So we appreciate all your support. Don't forget to check out the Teespring link, check out our Patreon link, leave a like on this video, and hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more coming at you in the coming days.